Promoting your laundromat has never been as important as it is today. Consumers are checking their smartphones every day looking for businesses, including where to do their laundry. We need to make sure that you can be found. So Coin Laundry Association has put together a custom digital marketing program to help you reach the customers that are looking for you each and every week. That will include things like websites, online directory listings, Google My Business pages, Google Map pages, reputation management, all these things that are so important today to make sure that customers find you and allow you to keep building your business. Most laundromat owners don't have the time or the expertise to do this themselves, so we've made it easy. We've partnered with AMP to make sure that you get all the digital marketing support that you need at an association price. So please, check out AMP at coinlaundry.org and let us help you start better promoting your business today and start generating more profitability for your store.